Yo, what's good? What's happening? This is Smashley from 777FX, and today we're dropping another Nasdaq video. Just gonna recap exactly what we did on the last video, the analysis, exactly what we thought the price was gonna do, what price did, what happened, and how we traded. So throughout the whole process. So yeah, all I wanna start with is we got this beautiful trade on Nasdaq. Beautiful trade on Nasdaq right here. You feel me? This is the hourly, this is the 15 minute, you feel me? I like to put them like this. I like to actually have like two views, but we can actually use one for now, you feel me? Yeah. So we're just gonna look at how did we trade today. So first of all, we were actually looking to, on the last video, we were looking to take buys off of this area, this 4 hour zone right here, you feel me? So we were looking to take buys off of that area over there, and Nasdaq did actually drop below that area. So this was a little bit before NY open, around, yeah, after around 3 o'clock. This happened. Okay. So first of all, this was a 4 hour zone. It wasn't necessarily an edge. It was a basing zone. The difference between an edge and a basing zone. Basically, this is swing point, right? So when we have a demand or a supply zone at a swing point, that's the edge. But when it's like in the middle of price, like you don't know what the fuck is doing over there, that's a base. So this was a basing zone right here. So price did actually create this zone, this basing zone. This, let me just mark it out. 4 hour basing zone. Okay. So and it is valid because it did actually break previous structure at this point. This was the high that was broken. So price did come back at a certain point. Yeah, the price did come back at this point, gave us a tap, boom, gave us a push upwards breaking structure, then dropped a little bit. We were looking to take buys off of this area. I think price was around here. Cool. So let's just, we on premium now, so y'all know what it is. You gotta start using that replay bar. You feel me? But yeah, oh, it's pro, sorry. I said premium. But yeah, so basically this was where price was when I think I was doing the analysis. It was around 2 a.m. So let's just see exactly what happened. Price did continue dropping. Right, price did continue dropping up until it got to this point. Drop a little further. Up until it got to this point. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry about that. Okay. I wanted like here. Okay, cool. So what happened is price did actually come down to this point. We were looking for price to give us another tap off of the zone, which is wrong actually against my strategy. Because yes, it is a 4 hour valid zone, but it is a basing zone, right? And remember, we did have a first tap within the zone, right? A first tap within the demand zone, meaning we only trade the first retest, guys. So after we get the first retest over here, that means the sell order flow volume within this basing demand zone is lessening. So within the first tap, that lessens this buy order flow volume within this range, right? Within this zone, meaning the power for it to actually come down and give us a tap again will be less, meaning it will break this hype eventually and go a bit lower. So we were looking for it to go a bit lower and then give us um, a rejection of the zone. Okay, I think I entered around 321. I was on my charts the whole day. I'm proud of that. And then we got the next candle. Is that the how? Wait, yeah, we got the next candle. I wasn't here. Then I think I was here, right? Remember this is NY times. So yeah, this is New York session time. See, so this is what happened. Price came down here, and I think I entered off of this area right here. I was looking for a 15-minute entry confirmation within the zone. So I was looking for an engulfing morning star pattern, something of that sort, showing a rejection. You feel me? So yeah, actually no. Here's where I got in. So let me just show you guys exactly where I got in. Oh no. So yeah. We actually got in after this candlestick right here formed. I got in a bit late. No, I got in right after the candlestick formed, and then we entered our buy orders at this point right here. Our stop losses were 50 pips, so a little bit below the zone. Wasn't even here, tight, little bit below the zone, and our target was way up there. And yeah, so that was it. And then price did take us out clean on NY Open. Clean. I had I had I had certain reasons and certain what can I say, what can I call this? I had second thoughts on this position. Simply because we did actually break this previous low right here, meaning right now we're breaking lows, we're liquidating the lows, okay? This is the first retest within the 4 hour supply demand zone. So the first retest is usually the strongest 100% of the time. So after the first retest, as I said, there's less sell order flow volume within the demand zone. So as price goes deeper, it breaks the zone. So I was looking to buy at the deeper half of the zone. You feel me? So gave us hope after this long rejection. Gave us hope, and there was no hope after this. Honestly speaking, there was none. It just kept like going for my stops. No hope. I was still holding at this point. Not optimistic. And yeah, it's basically what happened. That's the one that took us out. We got in a re-entry, so let's just close this one. We got in a re-entry, which was still bad because we weren't supposed to do that. We knew there was bearish order flow volume, so the re-entry wasn't even like an option. But we didn't follow the rules. We paid for it, and yeah, that's basically what happened. Our stops were below here. TP at 1 million, and boom, this is the second entry, guys. Once you see like in one fucking candle, guys, it goes up and then slaps me out. So I was like, nah, F it, I'm gone. I think I took a walk after this. I don't know. You feel me? And so yeah, that's basically today Nasdaq. Okay, I took those two trades. Slapped me each had 1% out. So I was at 2% L for the day. You feel me? And yeah, that's basically it. And then our third trade, this is our third trade got off because remember 2 videos ago we had our zone here because now remember there was a daily. Was it a day? It wasn't a daily. Yes, it was a daily supply zone, daily demand zone, sorry, but let me just say order block. But there was a daily order block at this point. We were looking to take buys off of that daily OB. So this is what happened. We had minimized our demands on our order block to this point. All right, so we were marking from that candle down here because that was the whole down move before the whole up move that actually broke structure. So that is the down move we get in. We used to get in. Right, so that was it. I actually placed the line. I was trading US. I was trading Nasdaq, and one of my homies, MP, was trading US 30. I think we took the same amount of L's and W's, but somehow he was like risking more than me. So it's like damn, bro. But yeah, it was in my trading day. Okay, so yeah, price came down. We had minimized to that point. We had minimized our OP to that point. Okay, so price came down, gave us a tap. Then it followed all our entry criteria because it was a valid 4 hour zone that did actually break structure. Okay, and I didn't know that we were almost at FOMC, bruh. Like I thought the only news because I use Forex Factory and all that shit, and it didn't tell me of FOMC. It told me of FOMC minutes at like 6:30, so I wasn't sure. But I was advised that we got FOMC. I had gotten in. I'll show you guys where I got in. So this was it. Now we were looking for a 50 minute because we know price dropped. We're looking for a 50 minute rejection off of this 4 hours, so 4 hour demand zone, and then boom. Okay, so this was enough for us to get in the position. Right, see, this was perfect for us to actually get into this position. I do think yes, I did get in at this point. I was supposed to get in here. Not gonna lie to you, but I did get in at this point of the trade. Did I get in here? Wait, let's see the next. Hold on. There we go. That's where I got it. It was right after this point right here. Boom. After that, I was actually outside, and then I came back when price was around this point right here, and then I took my entries at this point right here because I had gotten everything my system wanted. I got the 15-minute entry signal off of the 4 hour zone, so macro zone, micro signal, easy. 50 pips. My first TP at this point, which on my funded account I got out at 100 pips exactly, and on my live account I got out at 20 pips because like price. This is what price did. Okay, so that was my overall TP was up here 200 pips, but we didn't get that. So on my there we go. Price went up nicely, guys. Price went up nicely. I'm not gonna lie. Price was just moving beautifully. Like okay, I did experience drawdown. I was about to say, but I experienced very minimal drawdown for this position, and this is exactly what happened, right? So yeah, and then I think this was FOMC just right after this bearish move gave us a long ass bullish move. There is it, long ass bullish move. I got out at the peak of this move right here, and then price just collapsed, and then just price just collapsed after that. But yeah, that was it. I actually wanted to take partials at this point, and then I closed the whole position, and then good enough, price did actually like retrace hard. But yeah, that was today's trading day, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, it wasn't a trading day. Um, the reason for my losses is for both of those setups I didn't actually follow my proper trading rules, so like I deserved them, but I did get a nice dub after that. Okay, so I am experiencing a bit of loss because of just manual error, human error. My system, there's nothing wrong with it, a human error. So I'm just gonna fix the little things, like flip and trim the bushes. I'm journaling my trades now, so I'm learning from them. So I'm just gonna trim the bushes, and I'm still risking more. Not even risking more, but I'm thinking of cutting down my stop loss to 25 pips and still upping my lot size. So if I double my lot size, then I halve my stop loss. I'll be risking the same amount I'm risking now, but with more like a higher lot. So you feel me? So that's basically what I'm thinking of doing for the last remaining days of my Forex funds. And yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a nice trading day. This trade right here was easy. Like I didn't have to think. I'm not gonna. Was probably quaffed, but I didn't have to probably think because it was so easy and it met all my criteria. This is the type of trades I want to take, and I need to be taking. So yeah, that was Nasdaq today. Not much really, just a normal day. We took a dubs, took L's, break even for the day. I'm still in loss for the account, but patient. We'll get there. Peace out.